Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will have a unboxing video, but this kit will not be from my stash because I bought new kit from my favorite scale model shop, and I bought this kit. German submarine U-boat type 21 with interior. This kit is in 145 um, scale from Revell. As you can see, this box is quite old. Don't know yet from which year this kit is from. I will somewhere put in the video from which year this is. Actually, this kit I got for 19 euros, so I think it was great price for this kit. I wanted this kind of kit for some time already. I have built this U-boat like really small, and as you can see, this is much bigger, and this is in with interior. And yeah, let's check what is in the box. This is the box art. This is what is behind. This kit actually is made in Poland. Somewhere here it was said, but yeah, of course it's a Revell is from Germany, but this kit is made in, as you can see here, made in Poland, printed in Germany. Yeah, so yeah, let's open it and see what is inside. Let's start with the instruction and the decals. So this is the decal sheet. Very interesting. A lot of small details. Probably it's because it will be inside of U-boat. So overall looks good. For maybe for actually printed in Italy. Very interesting. So it's plastic is made in Poland. Decals are made in Italy. So what is made in Germany? What is this? With something with flags. I don't know, but we will see when we will build it. We will see it where we have to put it. So let's put decals back. This is here, and already looks like it's from 2011. This is printed in Poland, and already from the instruction it seems quite old if it's from 2011. So it will be very interesting to build this from this very old instruction. Right now it seems very complicated at a first glance, but probably it will not gonna be that complicated. But the instruction is very old, but should be interesting that when you build one side, it's like one side and the second side, and interior you put like build it completely separately. That will be interesting how good it will fit. Interesting. And yeah, some color scheme, but everything is black and white. So yeah, let's see what kind of plastic we have. What? So this is the main hole. As you can see, it's not very small kit. It's quite big size, but for this kind of old kit, this have plastic have some pretty good details, as you can see. Not not too bad. So let's continue with other parts. So this is the top part of the kit. Also have some details, so that's good. Here also this is the bottom. This is the top. This was the bottom. This is good. Looks actually pretty good plastic. Yeah. Interesting. Very good. Another box. Lot of plastic. Let's see. This is some kind of engine part. Also, this is the main engine probably. Not a lot of flask. Also, this is great detailing. Wow, maybe if you can see, this will be better. Here, very good details. Surprisingly, a lot of good details for this old kit. Here you can see more great details for this plastic. Wow, I'm actually surprised how good the details are for this old kit. Very good. Beautiful. Very good. So overall, I think this will be fun kit to build. I know that, guys, you wanted me to build this Japanese fighter key 61, but when I saw this kit in shop, I thought to myself, I need this kit. I want to build this one next, and this will be my next build. And yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you know something about this kit, leave some comments, and see you next time.